Assalamualaikum. Today I want to present my thesis which titled DMATEC and Vehicle-Based Method under Catastrophic Environment for Renewable Energy Sources. My name is Siti Nur Aisyah binti Abdul Wahab and my supervisor is Professor Dr. Muhammad Nazim bin Abdul Wahab. Okay, renewable energy is the form of energy that naturally obtained from the environment and from sources that can be replenished naturally. This includes wind energy, biomass energy, biogas energy, hydropower energy, and solar energy. As the energy demand was boosting to population growth, renewable energy has played a significant role in decreasing greenhouse gas emissions. Nowadays, the use of energy increased due to population growth, industrialization, and urbanization across the world. The generation of energy using non-renewable energy may lead to emission of greenhouse gases, in particular methane, carbon dioxide, sulfur, and nitrous oxide will contribute to climate change. In short, non-renewable energy brings bad effect to the environment. Moreover, once the sources of non-renewable energy finish, it cannot be restored. So here is the objective of the study. First, to determine the causes and effect criteria of managing renewable energy sources using subjective and objective method. Second, to find the most suitable alternative for renewable energy sources by using single-valued isotopic Weicker method. Yuval Vedo et al. 2019 used the method for improved the method based on both subjective and objective data. The same author, Yuval Vedo 2019, in another journal used Dempster rule for gives better summarization and judgment because the problem before is when using Kelly attribution theory, the knowledge of each expert are only limited to judge. The Wheeler-Smith et al. 2019 showed two experimental operational transfer path analysis which match transfer path analysis better compared to the traditional operational transfer path analysis method. Gupta 2018 used Weicker method to give the best significant attribute of service quality among 7 attributes. There are two methods used in this study, which is subjective and objective method and single-valued isotopic method. Calculation for subjective and objective method. Step 1 and Step 2 shown in this criteria part, and Step 3 shown in the decision maker part. Step 4 aggregated weight and then aggregated direct relation metric shown in this Excel part. Then transform aggregated metric into single score or CRITS value and by using Microsoft Excel. Here is the result. Next step, fuse the subjective experience because of different experience which should be used to discount BPA function. These are results for discounting parameter for 5 experts. MIJ is the final influence degree for criteria to criteria, but this only reflects for one personal view, so it's necessary to make measure for our expert by using Dempster rule. Objective method. Determine partial regression coefficient between criteria 1 in path analysis step, and these are their results. Then construct t-statistic to test the result. Use confidence coefficient mu0.01, t0.01 is 3.657. Clearly t61, t71, t91 are greater than t0.01, so the partial regression coefficient can pass the t-test. It is believed that the influence relation theory exists in this criteria, and then t21 and t4 were different for t61, t71, t91. So the influence criteria set should be updated by criteria C, criteria 7, and criteria 8. Table 1.16 is functional result of expert assessment. Then table 4.17 in first column the direct influence degree will calculate by this equation OI. The partial regression coefficient for the criteria are similarly determined. Whose relation of two criteria cannot pass the test are marked with underline. Then construct direct influence degree using this formula and underline value set to 0. Combine subjective and objective method, use this formula B0 and B4. Calculate HIJ as this example. I use H49 for example. Similarly, each direct influence degree can be transferred into BPA function that are listed in table 4.19. With help of Dempster rule, combine objective and subjective method using this formula. Finite initial direct relation method, construct as this T, and find summation of row and column for each criteria. Then normalize initial direct relation metric using this formula and get this. Using Microsoft Excel, we find total relation metric I minus S, then inverse I minus S, and get total relation metric by time S with inverse. For Weicker, This is the result for the matter. For vehicle, here is the result from the questionnaire. Step 1, alternative path. Aggregated direct relation metric. Then subjective and objective weight. Then find weight. There is a result for positive and negative ideal solution. Result of S, R, and Q. Check the condition whether it passes condition 1 or not. See an alternative to not fulfill the condition 1. Test again with another alternative. We find the alternative 3 more than 1 over 3. So N3 is the least number to fulfill condition. Hence condition 2 is fulfilled. It is actual ranking. Okay. It shown that efficiency criteria 2, criteria 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 causes group are minus T positive. Red color, while area causation, criteria 1, criteria 3 effect group are D negative. So we found that public acceptance, criteria 7 has the highest R minus T score Y. The smallest value is criteria 1, but criteria 1 has the highest R plus T, blue color, score. It should be relatively important criteria for relative energy. Single value nucleophile vehicle only use the causal criteria which criteria 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 because only the causal criteria could straight affect the user of renewable energy sources. Based on table 4.39, we can see that biogas, biomass, hydro are rank 1 because these alternatives not fulfilling the condition 1. So the highest rank has 3 alternatives. Conclusion, 2 methods are involved. Efficiency, criteria 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the main causes that influence the renewable energy. Biogas energy system, biomass, hydro are 3 most suitable renewable energy sources and TIF is main reference. Okay, that's all.